Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled in the rolling hills, there stood a mysterious toy shop that was said to be enchanted. The shop was filled with all sorts of toys, from classic wooden dolls to intricate mechanical robots, but what made this shop truly special was that every night when the moon was high in the sky, the toys would come to life. The toy shop was run by a kind old man named Mr. Whimsy, who had a twinkle in his eye and a mischievous smile. He knew the secret of the enchanted toys and took great pleasure in watching them dance and play in the moonlight. The toys would have grand adventures, exploring the shop and creating their own little world filled with magic and wonder. One night, a young girl named Lily stumbled upon the toy shop and was immediately captivated by the sight of the toys coming to life. She watched in awe as the dolls twirled and the robots whirred, and she knew that she had stumbled upon something truly special. From that night on, Lily became a regular visitor to the Enchanted Toy Shop, joining in the magical adventures and forming a bond with the toys that would last a lifetime. And so, the Enchanted Toy Shop continued to bring joy and wonder to all who entered its doors, a place where imagination knew no bounds and dreams came to life.